Hey guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to insert links in Google Sheet. So as you can see here guys, I'm on Google Sheet and I have three sheets here, a three-sheet document called test. Now I'm going to choose one of them. Let me choose, for example, the travel planner here. And let's say we want to add a link here on one of those notes section here. So let's take the first one as an example. All you have to do is just click the cell that you want to insert the link in, and you want to go to insert from the menu options, go down and click on links. Here you want to give it a name, so I'm going to call this one, for example, booking. So let's say that's what we want to do. And the next section here, we want to type in the link or the website. So I'm going to type, for example, www.booking.com as an example, and you can see it start to populate as well. Once you type it in, click on apply, and that's it. You just need to click away and you can see that the link is now inserted. So once you hover over it, you can see that booking.com is there, and you can click on that and it's going to open up a new tab and take you over to the website. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple how to insert links in Google Sheets.